Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin as we're going into the weekend right now on the shorter time frame. And I still very much think we are in a range here where the low was over here. This was the high. We swept the low and the target is this high at around 67,000. Now we have been chopping around, which is completely normal within these ranges. I mean, the last time we had a significant range on the 4-hourly time frame, it spent almost 3 months in that range earlier this year, and it can be very, very frustrating if you don't understand what the range is and what it's designed to do. Because unless you are like taking the extremes, right? If you got in over here, that would have been perfect, and you just sit and wait and chill. You're sitting comfortable. But there's a lot of retail traders using extremely high leverage, trying to day trade every single day, trying to catch the move. And this chop within the range is just going to absolutely destroy most people, especially if you're on like 50x leverage or higher, because you don't have much room. I mean, if 50x leverage is 2%, right? So that's about a $1,200 move, and you can see regularly these moves are $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. So basically, it's liquidating everyone like above 30x who's taking positions here long and short, and that's the point, right? Like if you're longing the top over here, you get liquidated. If you're shorting the bottom over here, you get liquidated, right? And that's what it's designed to do, and it's going to take a long time. But you can also look at the lower time frame market structure here, and we are still making higher lows, which is bullish, right? Even here, we made a higher low. And this is just a grind up. And I do think we are targeting 67,000, this range high. We are still in the month of July. We have about 2 weeks to go, which means there's still easily 1 to 2 weeks left for us to take these highs. And then I still expect lower in August, September, October. And we still likely are going to see a final capitulation where I think Bitcoin is going below $50,000. So my bigger strategy or bigger term play here for the next several weeks is if we get this sweep of 67, maybe 68, maybe 69, we get back below, right? So it's a deviation to the upside. We're looking to enter a short here as best as possible, maybe even a little bit above the range. It depends on the lower time frame. We'll keep an eye on that. And then short this from hopefully like 67 or 68,000 all the way back down to $50,000. If we can do that, that's going to be an insanely profitable short, right? Like if you can get this with decent size and you get the right timing, well, it's going to be very, very nice. Like all the way down to about $50,000. You can see that's a 1 to 9 risk reward. Maybe it can be even better depending on your entry. But that's the idea. So I do still expect us to grind higher over the next week or two. I do expect us to take that out. And then if we get the short trigger, which I'll make a video on at the time, by the way, and I will definitely share that in my VIP, in my Discord, as it's happening, try and catch that short on the way down. So you can see over here, if we go to the central command trading terminal with the one-click overlays, you can see over here I'm using the range deviation, just one click, and the EMA ribbon over here, one click. Those two I like to use. There's lots of different options. This is all completely free. The details on how to get access I'll put in the description down below. You can just connect your Blowfin exchange account to this actually and trade directly on the terminal, get access to these overlays. And you can see here, since this 58K bottom showed here on the 4-hourly chart, we haven't really had much red yet. And you can see I'm waiting for that warning. When it turns red, we haven't yet had that. So you can also see here, there's a bunch of liquidations right now. The max pain liquidations for 7 days, 3 days, and 30 days, which is also just a one-click overlay here. This is direct data that we pay for via API, real-time market data. So these liquidations are over here. Right about 66,000, and obviously as it goes higher, more people will short. So I think there's a good confluence here that we are going to go to about 67,000, and maybe even already next week. It can chop around a bit, but I think something like this, and then like I said, hopefully we get the short back down. That'll be great, and this tool is going to be very helpful. These overlays. For when it turns red, obviously it works according to the time frame. So on 4 hour, it takes much longer to play out. But if we're looking at the hourly or the 15 minutes, we can zoom in and we can try and hopefully catch that top and that reversal as close to the top as possible. And then hopefully if we get that short, It's going to be a very profitable one, hopefully all the way back down to like 50,000 or so, maybe lower for the final capitulation. That's basically what I'm looking for. In terms of both price and on the regular chart that I showed you in the beginning, these overlays here on central command, also the 4-year cycle, which based on the timings would mean only a bottom somewhere in Q4, so probably October or November, which means we still have about 4 to 5 months to go of this bear market. And something like this would make sense where, you know, we have another 2-3 weeks for this to go higher, bait everyone into thinking that the bottom is in at 58K, everyone gets happy, everyone gets euphoric, and then they rug us one more time for the next 2 to 3 months. The price drops to like 50,000 or lower, and everyone gets absolutely wrecked, and that is probably when the real bottom comes. And obviously we're going to have to wait and see at what level that's going to be. It's going to depend on how bad things get in the market. You know, maybe it's going to be just under 50,000, maybe it's going to be 40, maybe it's going to be 30. It really depends. Is Michael Saylor with his strategy going to be forced to sell? Are other people going to implode? Is the stock market going to sell off along with it? There's all sorts of possibilities, so we'll deal with that when we get there. But this is how I'm seeing it right now. So very short term, looking for a sweep of 67,000, and then I'm looking for a short trigger back down towards $50,000. If you want these tools, this is what we're building to beat these markets, to give us an edge. Be working on this for over a year, and it's literally like more than 10 years of my own experience, and we're just adding all sorts of stuff in here with these one-click overlays. I think it's very cool. It's very helpful already. It's completely free for now as we're building it out. The details are in the description down below how you can get access. So go download this. You don't need to download it. It's literally in your browser, and it works on everything, right? It works on crypto. It works on equities, indices, even metals. I traded some silver recently. It's pretty cool. You can see here how it works on the 15-minute chart. So the blue is just warning it's oversold here. And then on the point of the EMA ribbon flip, you can see the price gets above and the EMA ribbon flips right over here. Well, that is typically a sign for it to reverse and go higher. And you can see there's a bunch of liquidations here also. Now, obviously, silver doesn't really work like crypto, but there is silver and gold on crypto exchanges. That's why we have a bit of access to these liquidation levels. But obviously silver and gold is commodities that's traded on a global scale. But the liquidation levels aren't as important on silver, but they can be useful. But you can see here how well this works, even on something like silver, where, you know, it showed us the top over here at 59 and it gave us the bottom at 55, and that's quite a nice drop if you can catch the meat of the move. And be sure that you're not shorting when it's blue and not longing when it's red, because it's just warning signs and it's just a visual guidance. So if you want access to all of this for free, details in the description down below.